Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to TikTok. So let's get started. First, of course, you have to go to any web browser and then type Shopify. In order for you to sign up, they will need your email address and your password, okay? But of course, if you have Shopify already, then all you have to do is just simply log into your account. Of course, they also need your Google account, email address, and password. Also, you have to open your TikTok here, and now you need to click this login, and they will ask for the following. In order for you to log in, they will ask for your Google account, or if you want to log in via Line or WhatsApp, QR code or email, and everything is up to you. But for me, it would be easier to log in using my Google account, and this is what it looks like. So once you have your TikTok account, or once you're logged into your TikTok account, you can go to your Shopify again. In order to connect your TikTok to your Shopify account, you just have to go to apps, tap this one, and then here you just simply type TikTok and then click this magnifying icon here, or you just have to press enter and it will take you directly to Shopify store. So yes, you just have to look for TikTok application, tap this one. And once you tap this, then you have to look for this install button here. But I highly suggest that you should read the following information here. What are the advantages of connecting your TikTok to your Shopify? What are the benefits? And why do people prefer to connect their TikTok to their Shopify account? Okay, so all you have to do is to click install. And then you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then after that, it will take you directly to this, and you need to authorize this application to be connected to your Shopify account. And all you have to do is to go to this part and click add. Okay, then you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So this is what it looks like. And yes, in order for you to start with, engaging and promoting everything here on your Shopify using your TikTok, you have to create a business account. Now click setup now if you don't have a TikTok business account yet. So as you can see here, TikTok for business. And all you have to do is simply click connect. If you don't have, then click create new. So as you can see here, all I have to do is just simply enter my email address here and my password, or I just have to simply click log in with TikTok and my TikTok account will appear right here. And all I have to do is just simply click at this button that says authorize. Okay, and that's it. Now I have to wait for a couple of seconds and I have to agree with their terms and condition. Okay, and then click confirm. Okay, so you have to read this one first. It's very important. Then tap confirm. And you have to wait for a couple of seconds again. And here it is. Now we can start with connecting our Shopify to TikTok business. Okay, so tap connect. Okay, and then this is what it looks like. So we have here TikTok Ads Manager. Okay, so to continue, all you have to do is to click this create new, and what you want to do here is to enter the information that they ask. We have here the country, and to select, you just have to tap this arrow facing down here. So we have business name here, time zone, and then you just have to click this terms and conditions, of course. Do not forget this one. Okay, tap this box right here and then click this sign up and connect. Okay, and wait for a couple of seconds again as it is processing. Now, once done, then let's move on to data sharing. So you have options here, maximum, enhanced, and standard, and they always prefer to choose maximum. Okay, you can read the information below for you to know more about this. And then you can create pixel if you want, but I think this one is okay for me. So once done, all you have to do is to simply click confirm. Okay, so once you tap this one, then you have to wait for a couple of seconds again. And then you can now proceed with this company information. So set up your company information. And here, all you have to do is to enter again some information that you need. For example, they ask for your state, province, they ask for your street, postal code, Okay, and then of course you have to tap this payment here, and then once done, click confirm and tap finish setup, and this is what it looks like. Now this one is under review, so I have to wait for a couple of hours for them to accept this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you the reason why people prefer to connect their TikTok to their Shopify, especially if they are, doing this business or they have this Shopify store. Okay, so for Shopify store, integrating TikTok offers a number of important advantages. First of all, it enables you to connect with a larger audience than just your current client. Okay, the TikTok algorithm increases the likelihood of material reaching potential customers by promoting it to individuals who have expressed interest in similar goods or subjects. Furthermore, TikTok provides a range of advertising choices that enable you to focus on particular places, interests, or demographics. Your marketing campaigns will work more effectively and eventually generate more income if you target them with this degree of precision. Now you can go to apps and sales channels to see if your TikTok is now connected to your Shopify. Okay, and as you can see here, these are the details and about your sales channel. You can see everything here. Contact information, which is you can add later. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and that's it. Now, as what I've mentioned, you have to wait for a couple of for them to accept your TikTok business account. And that's the reason why you have to be careful when it comes to entering information. It should be correct because they will review this one. So if you're just using fake information here, it's so useless. Okay. And another thing, why people prefer to connect their TikTok to their Shopify. Integrating TikTok with Shopify gives you or them access to insightful analytics and audience insights. You may adjust your marketing campaigns for greater outcomes and make data driven decisions by examining the performance metrics in Shopify's Analytics and TikTok Ads Manager. Okay, so there are other features that you can unlock once you have installed or once you have added your TikTok business account to your Shopify account or Shopify store. So that's it. And it's very useful, especially if you are selling something or if you have your Shopify store with you. Connecting your Shopify to your TikTok is indeed a big advantage.